Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you remember the last video I posted, we chopped the two small fields of corn, plots 42 and 43, for silage that we threw up in the harvester there. Today it is now January. Yes, if you see on the top, you see 69 to 71 centimeters of snow expected. That's 2 feet of snow. But today we have a fun video because we have to sell our grain. We are selling our grain today. So we have to swap out the augers if we can. So I'm gonna disconnect this auger here, and I'm gonna go grab the truck. Where is this one right here? The diesel. This truck to move. Okay, well, maybe. To move the auger we used to dump into the bins, get that out of the way so we can move that auger into position. There we go. Okay. Just pull this out here, get it out of the way. Semi out of the way, I guess. Out of the way enough to where I can still get this tractor out. I'm gonna have to move this tractor too in order to put the auger where I want it. I'm gonna get this turned around. No, surprisingly, the tracks are doing a lot better than I thought they would in the snow. Alright. So we will... I don't know what the best way to do this is. Probably to back up. Good lord, this snow is treacherous. As I put into this bin. Stop! Stop sliding down the hill. Okay, I think I can get this lined up the way I want it. Beautiful. I did it. There we go. Okay, now I can swing the gravity wagons through. Maybe next year I'll be prepared and I'll get a snowplow. Is that out of propane? Drag could be out of propane. Yeah, dryer is out of propane, so that's unfortunate. I have to fill that up again. We'll just sell what dry corn we have. Worry about filling the propane up later. We'll fill the propane up next video, I think. But I think to speed this process up, we're gonna do a time lapse just to speed it up, and I'll join back to you guys once it's done. Without further ado, let the time lapse begin.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, speaking fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're with my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health
unremarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't
Alright guys, so grain is done being sold for the day. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Only reason all we did in this video was sell grain was because there was no video yesterday and I didn't say anything about it, so my apologies. So I figured I'd get you just a little quick short little video. Video tomorrow will probably be tillage, assuming the snow is gone. But if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button down below. And if you're new around here and you like what you see, make sure you get subscribed so you never miss the Farming Simulator 25 content coming in the future. Tell all your friends and family about the channel so they know. We're at 29 subscribers right now, so if we can get to that 30 mark and get over 30, that'd be awesome. Awesome. I do really appreciate every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel and continue to show love and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. I couldn't ask for a better community for this channel. But other than that, I have nothing else for you guys. But remember to keep it loud, keep it safe, keep it hype, and I will see you all in the next one.